Nestled along the northern coast of São Paulo, this coastal retreat by Andrade Morettin Arquitetos Associados perfectly integrates with its lush surroundings. Conceived as a vacation home, the residence embraces the natural beauty of its environment, offering unobstructed views of the beach through expansive glass openings. The use of translucent polycarbonate panels allows the structure to subtly blend into the landscape while providing natural light filtration and thermal insulation. Elevated slightly above the ground, the house features a prefabricated construction system that minimizes ecological impact. Large eaves and rolling metal doors on the façades promote natural shading and ventilation, enhancing the home's sustainability. The design thoughtfully balances modern architecture with the natural biome, creating a serene and eco-friendly living space.